Okay, so last time, here are the things that you said in your head were happening. So old, gotta, jumping, and eating all fall on the strong part of the beat, while you've, of, and all fall on the weak part. But remember, these guys over here, the you've, oh, it's not going to do it. It's not going to let me. Oh, there it goes. Remember, it really goes over here. But rhythmically, it's part of the last phrase. That's what it's confusing. That of is just not behaving, is it? Okay, so if I were going to sing this song on Taws and Toddies, it's pretty easy. Let's try it all together. Here we go. Ta, toddy, ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 toddy. Don't forget quarter rest on the end. So I just have that exact same thing written with ta's and d's. Try it again and point. Here we go. Ta, toddy, ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 toddy. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take our toddies, our eighth notes, and we're going to split those in half. Because one of the eighth notes belongs to the phrase before and one of them belongs to the phrase after. So if I take it, I split them in half, I get two single eighth notes. You've probably seen these written a million times. So this is nothing new to you, but now you know what it's called. So this is toddy. This is also toddy. It's just written single eighth notes instead of two eighth notes together. So we call this way, this is a beam, and these are flags. Easy enough, right? So if I want to write Old Mr. Rabbit using our new notation, all I did was go and split the toddies that are right here. So this originally would have been toddy. Let's try it. Here we go. Ta, toddy, ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 toddy. Rest. So we call these notes that precede means before, don't forget that. It comes before the phrase. So this one right here, it's going to be the second one in this song. So remember the words you told me, you've, of, and. These are called, we call them two different things. Most of the time in your life, you're going to hear them called pick up notes. And what it says, if you're picking up into the next measure. Remember, measure is what comes in between the two. You will also hear it called an up beat. But in my whole time of being a musician, I've only ever used this word, upbeat, when teaching. As a professional singer and musician, I've always used the term pickup notes. So there are 1, 2, 3 pickup notes in Old Mr. Rabbit. Let's sing it again on words. Here you go. Old Mr. Rabbit, you've got a mighty habit of jumping in my garden and eating all my cabbage.